Hello students, a very good morning to everyone. Let's start the today's session. Chapter 4 Measurements Continuation, Exercise 4.4 and 4.5 Word Problems. Student, these are the exercise 4.4 word problems. Let's see each and every word problem now. First word problem. Students, along with me read it. Dino bought 15 meter 43 centimeter of shirt material and 23 meter 94 centimeter of trouser material. Find the total material bought by him. Student, this is the word problem. Okay, how to write down the answer for this word problem? By given question itself, we can take the statements. Is it clear? First, we have to write Dinu bought a shirt material meter and centimeter separately. Okay? And Dinu bought a trouser material. First, we have to add centimeter, then add meter. How we have to know that it's a addition or it's a subtraction problem? I'll give one hint here. See, if it is a addition problem means in the question itself it has come total or sum. Okay, if it is subtraction means it is the hint word of remaining or left, like that it will come. Okay, see here in this question they are asking find the total material. So we are supposed to add the meter and centimeter. Is it clear, children? Shall we move on to next problem? A fisherman bought two nets. The length of first and second nets are 23 meter 43 centimeter and 25 meter 63 centimeter. What is the total length of the nets? See, they are asking total length of the nets. So we have to add the first net and the second net. Okay. Then total length of the nets is 49 meter 6 centimeter. Is it clear? See in the centimeter side, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10 and the carryover is 1. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 9. Then 2 plus 2 4. So the answer is 49 meter 6 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Next problem. Agatya bought 70 meter 42 centimeter of wire to fence his garden. He used only 43 meter 51 centimeter of wire. Find the length of the remaining wire. So he bought 70 meter 42 centimeter of wire and he has used 43 meter and 51 centimeter. And what is the length of the remaining wire? I told you, right? Remaining is a hint word to do subtraction. So how to frame up the statement? Agatya bought a wire to fence his garden. 70 meter 42 centimeter and the wire he used is 43 meter 51 centimeter. Then see in the centimeter side, 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 4 minus y, we can't do subtraction. So do the borrowing. So what is the previous number? The previous number is 0. So we can't do it. So again go with the previous number, it is 7. So what is the before number of 7? 6. Now 0 has become 10. Now what is the before number of 10? 9. Now 4 has become 14. So what is 14 minus 5 now? 9, and 9 minus 3 is 6 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So the length of the remaining wire is 26 meter and 91 centimeter. Is it clear, children? It's an ordinary subtraction problem only, but we have to write with the statements. Is it clear? Now, next problem. A shopkeeper sold 37 meter 69 centimeter cloth. Out of this, 93 meter 75 centimeter in stock. How much stock is left with him? Again, how much stock is left? So the left is a hint word to do subtraction. So length of a cloth in stock. Just write down 93 meter 75 centimeter. Length of a cloth he sold and length of a cloth left with him. Just do the subtraction. Is it clear, children? Next one is fifth problem. I bought 125 meters of orange fabric and 50 meters of yellow fabric in a fabric shop. I've used 13 meters of orange fabric and 12 meters of yellow fabric. How many meters of fabric is remaining with me? Students, just listen. I bought, that is, when you read the question, it is you bought, okay? You bought 125 meters of orange fabric and 50 meters of yellow fabric, and you have used, suppose in case you have bought 125 meters of orange fabric. Out of this you have used 13 meters, means what is the remaining length of the orange fabric? See the step 1. So total length of the orange fabric you bought is 125 meter. Length of the orange fabric used is 13 meter. Then what is the remaining length? 125 minus 13. See, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 112 meter. Is it clear? Then step 2. With the same thing you have to apply for the yellow fabric. So you are getting the answer of 38 meter. Now what is the question? How much is, what is the length of the fabric remaining with you? So the remaining length of the orange fabric is 112 meter and remaining length of the yellow fabric is 38 meter. When you add these two things, we will get 150 meter. So length of the fabric is remaining with me is 120 meter. Students, the step 1 and step 2 are same only. In the step 3, we are going to add the two things because they are asking length of the fabric is remaining with me. So how much? Total length only they are asking. So we are supposed to add these two things. Is it clear? Shall we move on to next problem? Sixth problem. Velu is 1 meter 15 centimeter tall. His friend Babu 1 meter 30 centimeter tall. Who is taller and by how much? See, first we have to write Babu's height and then Velu's height. They are asking who is taller. So we have to find out the difference. See in the centimeter side, 0 minus 5 we can't do subtraction. Then go with the previous number, that is borrowing. That is 3. 3 has become now 2. 0 has become now 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. You need not put 0. Okay. Let it be 15 centimeter. So who is taller? Babu is taller than Velu by 15 centimeter. Is it clear, children? With this, exercise 4.4 word problem is over. Just go through this problem. It's a very easy problem. Then we are going to see exercise 4.5 word problem. Okay. See, these are the question in exercise 4.5. Let's see each and every question now. Fifth problem. That is Raju used 13 meter 25 centimeter of ribbon for making his project. If he had bought 20 meter of ribbon, how much ribbon is left with him? So left with him, I told you the left is a hint word to do subtraction. So total length of the ribbon is 20 meter and Raju used for his project is 13 meter 25 centimeter. See, total length of the ribbon only is 20 meter, so there is no centimeter. So in the centimeter side you have to put 2 zeros. And Raju used for his project is 13 meter 25 centimeter. Then do ordinary subtraction. That is 0 has become 10, 10 has become now 9. Then see this meter side, 10 has become now 9, 2 has become now 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Children, I told you 0 you no need to put, okay. Just write 6 meter 75 centimeter of ribbon left with Raju, okay. Then the distance between bus stand and school is 81 meter 40 centimeter and the distance between school and temple is 20 meter 10 centimeter. What is the total distance from bus stand to temple? So it's a total distance. Then we have to do addition. See, write down the statement along with the units value. Then add this two value. We'll get 101 meter 50 centimeter. It's a total distance from bus stand to temple. Is it clear, children? Just go through it. See, by doing the word problem is a very simple, children. By given question itself, we have to take the statements and then we have to write down neat way. Then you have to add it, or add, or doing addition or subtraction depends upon the question given. Is it clear? Then seventh problem, Arul has a 4-meter long piece of wood. He wants to cut into two equal lengths. How long should each piece be in millimeter? See, Arul has bought 4 meter of long piece of wood, but you have to write your answer in millimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So 4 meter is equal to 4000 millimeter. And he wants to cut the piece, put into two pieces, that is two equal part. So 4000 millimeter, if you make it into two equal parts, means each part has become 2000 millimeter and 2000 millimeter. Then what is the length of each piece of wood is 2000 millimeter. It's a very simple problem. The thing you're going to convert meter to millimeter. Is it clear? Yes. The last problem, children. Amuda knows tailoring. She bought 10-meter long cloth. She needs 4 curtains to be stitched. Each curtain's height is 160 meter. Would she able to stitch all curtains? If some cloth is left behind, how much would it be? See, Amuda knows tailoring, so she bought 10 meter of cloth. See the step 1, children. The length of a cloth, Amuda bought 10 meter. But she wants to stitch 4 curtains. Okay. Each curtain's height, it can be expressed in centimeter. That is 160 centimeter. But she bought the cloth in meter. So first we want to do the conversion of meter to centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. She bought how much length of a cloth? 10 meter. So 10 meter is equal to 10 into 100 centimeter means 1000 centimeter. Children, step 1 is clear to you? She bought 10 meter of cloth. We are going to convert meter to centimeter because the curtain's height can be expressed only in the centimeter. Is it clear? Then step 2. Each curtain's height is 160 meter. How many curtains she wants to stitch? 4 curtains. Now what is the total length of that 4 curtains? Is 160 into sorry children, that is 160 centimeter into 4. Okay, we will get 640 centimeter. Now step 3, total length of the cloth she bought is 1000 centimeter and length of a cloth she needs to stitch 4 curtains is 640 centimeter. Is it clear? Step 2, we just found the length of a cloth needs to stitch 4 curtains. Step 3, we are just writing the total length and how much cloth they have used to stitch the curtains. Now the question is, would she able to stitch all curtains? Yes, because she bought 1000 centimeter of cloth. Out of that 640 centimeter only she has used to stitch the curtains. So she can able to stitch all the curtains. So the answer is yes. Second question, if some cloth is left behind, how much the length of the cloth? How to find out this? See, in the step 3 we did total length of the cloth she bought and length of the cloth she needs to stitch 4 curtains is 640. So if some cloth is left means automatically we want to do subtraction. So the remaining length of the cloth is left is 1000 centimeter minus 640 centimeter. So the answer is 360 centimeter. So how much the length of the cloth is left? 360 centimeter. Students, in this problem, see, first we did the conversion from meter to centimeter, then we did multiplication, then we did step 3 subtraction, right? Yes, and we did, we have given the answer for the two question also. Just go through this problem, children. Okay, children, hope you understand this session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.